Here's a vegetable that looks a little like a giant green onion, but hides a world of flavor and nutrition inside. Mild, sweet, and earthy, leeks are one of the most underrated superfoods you'll ever find. Hello everyone. Welcome back, or if you're new here, welcome to PureHealth through food. Leeks belong to the same family as onions, garlic, and chives, but unlike their sharp cousins, they have a gentle flavor that makes them perfect for soups, stews, and sautés. Their long, layered stalks grow partly underground, giving them a crisp texture and unique taste that chefs love. Cultivated for thousands of years, they were a favorite of the ancient Egyptians, highly valued by the Romans, and even became a national symbol of Wales, where they're still worn proudly on St. David's Day. But beyond flavor and history, leeks are packed with nutrition. They're rich in vitamin K, essential for healthy bones, and vitamin A, which supports vision and immunity. They're a good source of antioxidants like camphorol, known for protecting cells from damage, and they provide fiber to support digestion. Plus, their sulfur compounds, similar to those in garlic, may promote heart health. Leeks are not just flavorful, they come with an impressive list of health benefits. Let's explore 5 of the most important ones. Let's begin with their ability to support heart health. Leeks contain sulfur compounds and antioxidants that help reduce cholesterol buildup and improve blood circulation. Their potassium content also helps balance blood pressure, keeping your cardiovascular system strong. Another key benefit is better digestion. Leeks are rich in prebiotic fiber, which nourishes the good bacteria in your gut. This creates a healthier digestive environment, supports nutrient absorption, and helps prevent issues like constipation. Leeks also shine when it comes to immune support. Their vitamin C and vitamin A content strengthen your defenses against infections, while their natural antibacterial compounds give your body an extra layer of protection. If you're enjoying what you're hearing so far, consider subscribing to support the growth of our community. Let us know where you're watching from in the comments below. Next, they play a role in bone health. Thanks to vitamin K, leeks help your body regulate calcium and build stronger bones. Regular intake can lower the risk of osteoporosis and fractures as you age. And finally, leeks provide anti-inflammatory and protective effects. The antioxidant camphorol found in leeks has been studied for its ability to fight oxidative stress, reduce inflammation, and even protect against chronic diseases over the long term. Leeks are one of the most versatile vegetables in the kitchen. Their mild, sweet onion-like flavor makes them the perfect base for soups and stews, like the classic potato leek soup. You can sauté them in olive oil for a delicate side dish, roast them to bring out their natural sweetness, or add them to omelets, stir-fries, and pasta sauces for an extra layer of flavor. Even the green tops, often discarded, can be simmered into stocks and broths for a rich, aromatic taste. When cooking with leeks, it's important to clean them thoroughly. Because they grow underground, dirt often hides between their layers. Simply slice them lengthwise and rinse under running water to wash away grit. For the most nutrition, lightly sautéing or steaming leeks preserves their antioxidants and vitamins. Roasting brings out their sweetness, while slow cooking them in soups allows their flavor to gently infuse into the dish. However you prepare them, leeks add depth and health benefits to almost any meal. Here's something fascinating about leeks you might not know. They're a natural source of compounds called allicin, the same powerful element found in garlic. Allicin has been linked to antibacterial, antiviral, and even antifungal properties, making leeks a quiet protector in your diet. Another interesting fact, leeks are surprisingly low in calories but high in water content, which makes them both hydrating and waistline friendly. That's why leeks are often recommended in weight management diets. While leeks are safe and healthy for most people, eating them in very large amounts may cause digestive discomfort like gas or bloating, especially for those who aren't used to a high-fiber diet. Also, people who are taking blood-thinning medications should be mindful, since leeks are rich in vitamin K, which plays a role in blood clotting. As always, moderation is key, and if you have any health concerns, it's best to check with your doctor before making leeks a big part of your daily routine. So as you can see, leeks are far more than just a humble kitchen vegetable. With a history stretching back thousands of years, a unique flavor that elevates everyday dishes, and a nutritional profile packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants, leeks truly deserve a spotlight on your plate. Adding them to your diet is a simple way to enjoy delicious food while nourishing your body at the same time. If you enjoyed learning about leeks, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more fascinating insights into the power of food. Thank you for watching.